Just a moment of distraction, not paying attention to the front, and those two crashed into the back of the car. It's really unfortunate. In this moment, the driver was just steering to avoid an obstacle. Sorry for the misunderstanding. This car collided with two people on motorcycles, but they are fine because they noticed it earlier and were able to react in time. This road is narrow and winding, and driving at high speed here, I think, is not suitable. Oh my god, this is probably one of the tallest vehicles on the planet. Despite having limited visibility, that car still wanted to overtake others to get ahead crazy. The girl politely gave way as she passed, and she didn't forget to nod and thank the driver. Such a respectful gesture.
You alright?
Fortunately, she's okay.
Just stay over there a sec.
She probably pressed the wrong pedal. Oh my god, luckily the truck stopped just in time. We should always look carefully before crossing the street. Oh my god, the car is going at a terrifying speed. I can't understand why the car is driving like that, swerving and zigzagging, causing accidents for other vehicles. Oh my god, what is this? Why is it stopping while driving? The actions of the red car are really confusing. Oh my god, too fast, too dangerous. If it hadn't been noticed in time, it would have been a big danger. Wow, these young people are the luckiest on Earth. How could it be so close like that? Next, you will see miracles in real life. Oh my god, this is truly a miracle. An empty truck lost control on a curve and crashed into a truck loaded with bricks. Fortunately, no one was injured, but slippery roads and speed were the main factors behind the accident. The dump truck crashed into the median, knocking down a light pole that hit a passing car. Luckily, no one was hurt, but speed and carelessness can change everything in an instant. As a car sped toward him in the wrong lane, the three-wheeler driver quickly jumped off to escape. But it was too late to avoid the collision. I can't believe that this woman literally stepped out of a moving car on the highway. How she walked away with just a few bruises is beyond lucky. That young guy on the dream bike sped right across lanes, didn't see the parked car, and slammed into it. He's lucky though, just a fall and he's okay. Oh my god, the car drove into the restaurant, but it seems like it went into deep. Oh my god, this is the first time I've seen something like this. I don't know whether to praise it or criticize it. I hope the drivers behind don't collide with that bicycle. The sugarcane truck lost control while turning, causing it to crash through the barrier and roll down the cliff. I hope the driver is okay. The luckiest people on this planet. Wow, is this skill or just pure luck? Yes, she may have reacted just in time, but it was definitely a stroke of luck. Young people riding motorcycles across the street without looking around is really dangerous. Please make sure to observe carefully before crossing the road, everyone. Oh my god, these are the luckiest moments on this planet. We're very lucky that he's still okay. He still doesn't know what's going on. Sitting alone on the sidewalk isn't peaceful either. Oh, it's really unfortunate that in order to avoid the man on the motorcycle, the car had to crash into the vehicle on the side of the road, wishing everyone good luck. Oh my god, an incredibly terrifying collision. The black car flipped the white car, causing it to roll over several times. Everyone, please be more cautious. No one wants this to happen, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Wow, these men are the true definition of lucky. Oh my god, this is really dangerous. The car behind may have been speeding and not paying enough attention to what's ahead, which is why such an unfortunate incident happened. It's really unfortunate. Be sure to pay close attention and control your speed when participating in traffic. Wow, this moment can be described as extremely dangerous when participants in traffic are going at such a terrifying speed. Luckily, the man saw it coming and managed to avoid it in time. In this situation, the car suddenly changed direction, causing the motorcyclist to be surprised and confused, which led to the fall. It's really unfortunate, but luckily, she's okay. Oh my god, it scared me to death. Just going for a coffee and it's not going smoothly at all. Oh, it's really unfortunate for the young man on the motorcycle who was speeding and didn't pay attention. As you can see, it's always better to go slow. Wow, the people you're watching are the fastest delivery drivers on this planet. When you order online, you can be sure that your package will arrive as quickly as possible. Oh my goodness, roads right next to mountains often have situations like this. Please be careful, everyone.